Are you wondering how to tell if your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are real or fake? And yeah, how to actually identify them. So first, if the box comes sealed, then I kind of have some bad news for you, because obviously it's very easy to fake these boxes, and again, on good fakes the box might look like a real thing. But anyway, yeah, so this is for example what the box of like a real Buds 4 Pro looks like. So you see we have the manufacturing date here, also the serial numbers here. This is some Amazon sticker, so don't mind this. Also you see printed in Vietnam for this. Also it says model SM-R640. So, and it had a pull tab basically here that you basically needed to pull to be able to take them out. Also, they come in such like paper wrapping as well. So they come wrapped like this when you actually open them. So check this. On the fake ones, I rarely ever see this kind of packaging. So again, it also has some QR codes here, and also we have the Samsung like this kind of like tiny box with your paperwork here. Again, on most fake ones, at least on the cheap fake ones, you probably won't find this. So you see, you have your warranty card here, and also Samsung Quick Start Guide. Also, you have extra pairs of tips included as well. And this is what's the case of so you see like a paper packaging for the tips. Again, on the cheap fake ones, it will probably come with maybe in a plastic packaging. So like plastic bag, so not this essentially. Then on the earbuds themselves, so let's explore. So you see you have the Samsung logo, we have the indicator light, and this is for example what the back of it says. So again, you can see your serial numbers here, battery capacity, and bunch more things. So you see made in Vietnam by Samsung here. But again, obviously these texts can be faked. Also you have your Type-C port, your button here, and once you open it up, I see you have a light here, shining indicator light. And this is what the buds themselves look like. Okay. Also inspect the air tip itself. So you see the shape of the internal canals. And also on the bottom we have extra microphone here, as you see. So simply inspect if they look like this. So you see this kind of like shiny part. As they have like 3 different colors, I think also black, and also like pink one or something like that. So this is a fully white one. And usually on the cheap fake ones, that giveaway is a case quality. So you see the case quality should feel mega premium. So again, it totally feels like a very premium product. By the way, again, the price of these, I paid literally 250 euros, which is almost like $300. So again, the quality is actually mega premium from these, and also the sound you should be able to hear from these, again, is incredibly premium. So pretty much the best I have seen, better than the AirPods. So again, easily the best sounding earbuds essentially that I have used. And next, yeah, let me show you probably the best way how to tell if they're fake or real. So the real ones are able to connect to the Samsung app, but the fake ones obviously can't. So you can simply test this. So you simply open your case. If, for example, you have a Samsung phone nearby, it should open a pop-up. If it doesn't, you can also click like a button here on the back. So let's click that. So you see it will start to blink like this, and you see this pop-up open. So you see it says Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. We can click connect. I see it also blinks in these different colors while it's connecting. Agree to this stuff. Again, these fake ones won't say this. And then also, yeah, most importantly, if you go on your settings app, go over here, I see they should appear here, and you can manage them. So on the fake ones, again, there is no way how they can actually bypass the security that they have and actually get this working. So this is what the app on them look like. So if you are able to like pair them, and you are able to actually go over here and you have the same app, that ultimately means they're real. So there is no chance that they would be fake. So again, there's simply no way how they can actually fake this. Also, if you have non-Samsung phone, what you have to do is you simply have to go to the Play Store and download the Galaxy Wearable app, and then you can also pair these with the Galaxy Wearable app. If you are able to pair with the Galaxy Wearable app and it finds them, that means again it's real. So again, you will see exactly the same app as this one, basically, if you have non-Samsung phone. Okay, good luck.